how's it going? Welcome back to this channel. My name's Maggie and I'm so glad you have joined me here. If you have just joined me here in the past couple of days, I typically post videos 2 to 3 times a week, sometimes more, sometimes less. It all just depends as to what type of content I have. But today I'm in my kitchen, which is one of my favorite places to be, and I am going to show you what I eat in a day while I track my calories on Chronometer. And I do this by using a little food scale, and I have this food scale for a couple of years now. And originally why I got it is whenever I would do baking and things like that, which I used to do more often, I would want it to be to the exact ounce, exact gram. But now I kind of stemmed away from that and I just do everything on eye level. But nevertheless, let's get to it and let's see what I eat. Everything that I ate today for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you guys have any other video suggestions, make sure you leave them down below because I would love to film something that you would like to see next. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.